Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install the Widebody front lip vz102230 on the 2020 Dodge Charger with the Vicrez 2020 Widebody kit. So as you can see, part number vz102230 comes in 4 parts. It also comes with your hardware, so you do have hardware to assemble it. The small ones will be to attach the lips together, and then the big ones should be the ones to go to your bumper and the front splitter. We will be probably replacing these with bolts and nuts and some lock type or some thread lock. So so first you want to go ahead and grab your side pieces. You want to align all the 4 studs, well, not the 4 studs, but like these two first. These two. Once you align them, you'll be able to see the hole in the bottom. Once you feel it's tight, you could just stop. Don't over tight it. So the same thing you did on the left side, or the right side, you want to go ahead and do on the other side. Line them up. And you want to use the small bolts that are provided. Once those are tightened up, you'll be seeing the lip like this. So once you're done assembling this, you want to go ahead and flip it over. You're gonna grab your last piece and align it to the bottom of the lip, to all the studs. I'm gonna go ahead and start in the middle. So once you're done, it's gonna look like this on the underside. It is going to look like this. So if you guys do want this look for the regular non-Widebody Scat Pack SRT look, you could look for vz101765. It's the same style for non-Widebody. So now we're ready to go ahead and slap it onto the car. All we need to do is go ahead and lift it up and then bolt it in. So I do want to discuss something with you guys. The car is at stock height and I do scrape. So remember, when you have a front splitter, front lip, whatever you got in front of your car, you gotta go on angle. I unfortunately let my friend drive and scraped it, but I did scrape some too. But whenever you hit a bump, whatever, you know, don't overspeed, because this is exactly what's gonna happen. So now if you have the front lip on, you gotta be extra careful. Think about, you know, it's not the same front end you have. You got to think about that. You have made modifications and you have to be, you know, extra careful, or else you're gonna end up breaking it, losing it, or who knows. So we're gonna use the bolts provided and some Loctite. See if that works. Thread lock. What I did was I grabbed my bolt provided. I got some thread lock
You can get it at Home Depot, Walmart, AutoZone.
It's pretty sticky. You're gonna put bolts literally on all the holes that it has. Obviously, the Loctite is not provided by Vicrez. This is just, you know,
something you can buy at your local Walmart, Home Depot, AutoZone too.
This is just a self-preference thing.
You want to make sure that's aligned. It has to be this aligned. But as you can see, look, it's going great.
So these are all the bolts that are included with the kit. You are going to see some extra ones because I did go ahead and use bolts and nuts as I always do. I use a bolt and nut here, I use a bolt and nut here, and I use a bolt and nut here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring the car down so you guys can check out the final look.